Now that the car is just starting, can't move because it's locked inside. A key is the unlock key. Just click. It's unlocked and you can go. If it is locked, press it again. Successfully unlocked. It can also be unlocked in the app. This is the key. Long press to unlock. Successfully unlocked. It's unlocked and you can go. If it is locked, press it again. Lock now. A key is the unlock key. Multi-attention mode switch. After unlocking, dial to this root mode. It moves by itself. Dial back to manual mode. It won't move by itself. Switch back to remote control mode.